This is a typical BSR turntable. It's model C129R. This will mount up into any existing console that uses a BSR turntable of this era, which would be 70s and 80s. I've cleaned the cycling cam, the trip levers, and lubed the motor bearings after cleaning them out. And the platter bearings have been cleaned and re-lubricated. The changer mechanism also all cleaned of all the old lubrication, lightly re-lubricated after disassembling and reassembling. This has standard phono input jacks, and the power input plug is standard on all these BSRs. And the mounting clips. You're going to remove your old turntable. You just have to locate these underneath and then give them a flip up like that, and you'll be able to lift it right out and get at the audio and power cables. Okay, I've got a couple of records loaded up for demonstration here, hooked up to my stereo. The cartridge has been replaced because the old one had a deteriorating saddle, so it's got a new cartridge and stylus on it. This one features a Q lift, and it works nice and smooth. I've also adjusted the set down position. And the end of play automatic shutoff works just fine as well.